This lock says, warning, unauthorized removal of this lock constitutes breaking and entering. It's a baton lock. Made in Taiwan. A hard time picking it. But yeah, I made a special tool just to pick it. It's called Bob's Bogata, as in Colombia, Bogata. Street sweepers. Bristle. Call the band. All the way out, in, out, in, out, and there we go. What a bad boy. I had a lot of trouble picking this one. The old hook. Various store-bought tension wrenches. Didn't want to do it, but the old Bogata. That's the way to fly.
Cops is filmed on location with the men and women of law enforcement. All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Tension wrench.